You've poured the Drano. You've used the plunger. You've even called the plumber twice. And yet, it keeps coming back. Here's the truth. Nobody is telling you. The clog isn't the problem. It's a symptom. And until you fix the actual cause, you will be fighting your pipes for the rest of your life. So let's talk about what's really going on inside your walls and why it's gotten so much worse than it used to be. In 1974, the Uniform Plumbing Code made a decision that changed nearly every home built since it officially approved PVC for drain, waste, and vent lines. Within a decade, more than 70% of new houses were using plastic instead of cast iron or galvanized steel. The numbers tell the story. By the early 1990s, cast iron's rough, heavy pipes had been pushed aside by lightweight, bright white PVC. The difference inside these pipes is dramatic. Cast iron and steel can be as rough as 10 to 30 microns on the interior, while PVC comes in at less than 1 micron. That means water, grease, and everything else that goes down your drain meets a wall that's almost glass smooth. As Dr. Maya Patel, a materials engineer, puts it, PVC is so smooth, it's like the Teflon of plumbing. This material revolution promised fewer clogs, easier installs, and cheaper repairs. But as millions of homeowners soon discovered, a smooth pipe doesn't always mean a clear one. Dr. Patel leans in with a detail most people never hear. Smooth doesn't always mean self-cleaning. PVC's glassy surface may look slick under a microscope, but it holds a secret. When water rushes through plastic pipes, it creates a faint, static charge, like rubbing a balloon on your sweater. This charge isn't strong enough to shock you, but it's enough to attract dust, hair, and tiny bits of organic debris. Unlike cast iron, which grabs onto gunk with roughness, PVC quietly collects a film of particles that stick by static and don't easily wash away. The wall doesn't scrape things loose. It lets them build up in thin, stubborn layers. Over time, this invisible cling means even a super smooth pipe can start to gather the very stuff it's supposed to sweep away. That's the hidden twist behind the promise of plastic. Lena Chen stands at her kitchen sink holding a glass speckled with chalky spots. She is not alone. About 85% of American homes get water loaded with minerals like calcium and magnesium. As this hard water flows through your pipes, it quietly leaves behind a crust of scale. Each year, that crust grows by about 0.1 millimeters, barely thicker than a sheet of paper, but enough to shrink the pipe's diameter and roughen its surface. The result is like lining your drains with invisible Velcro. Instead of water whooshing through a slick tunnel, it drags along a gritty layer that grabs onto everything passing by. That is why, even with plastic pipes, the real battle often starts with this mineral shell, long before grease or hair ever enters the story. Grease and soap are the silent tag team clogging up your pipes. Every time you rinse a pan or pour out salad dressing, fats, oils, and grease, known as FOG, slide down the drain as a warm liquid. But the moment that mix cools below 22 degrees Celsius, it starts to solidify, sticking to the pipe wall. FOG isn't just a minor nuisance. Plumbers rank it as the #1 cause of recurring blockages in American homes. Add bar soap into the mix, and you've got a chemistry experiment happening in your pipes. When soap meets hard water, something 85% of United States homes have, the fatty acids react with calcium to form a chalky substance called calcium stearate. This sticky residue clings to anything in its path, layering on top of grease and mineral scale. Over weeks and months, these organic films build up, narrowing the flow and setting the stage for even bigger problems ahead. Even if your pipes are spotless inside, the system relies on two invisible forces, AIR and gravity. Every drain in your house needs a vent, a pipe to the roof that lets air rush in so water can flow out. But when a vent gets blocked by leaves, bird nests, or even a wayward tennis ball, your drains start to gurgle and slow down. Without that steady airflow, water can't push waste through, and pressure builds in the wrong direction. Now combine that with a simple but often ignored rule. Every horizontal drain should slope at least a 1/4 inch for every foot of pipe. Builders who cut corners or remodelers who fudge the angle can leave you with flat spots, places where water pools and debris settles. A single low spot can turn a smooth flowing pipe into a slow motion clog factory. So even perfect chemistry and the best materials can't save you if the flow stalls. It's these hidden airflow and slope failures that quietly set you up for repeat blockages, no matter how many times you clear the line. Every time you call a plumber for a clogged drain, you're paying for a reset, not a cure. National data shows the average American household spends between $900 and $2,300 a year on repeat service calls for stubborn clogs. Tom Ramirez, a plumber with 3 decades in the field, puts it bluntly, "I've cleared the same kitchen line 4 times in a year for one house at $250 a pop." Meanwhile, a professional camera inspection, an upfront look inside your pipes, costs $150 to $300. Most homeowners skip it, thinking it's an extra, but without that deeper look, you're just rinsing money down the drain, treating symptoms while the real problem keeps growing out of sight. A few simple changes can break the cycle for good. Start with a grease jar, pour fats and oils into a container instead of your drain. Studies show this one habit alone can cut grease buildup by 70%. Switch to liquid soap or body wash, which dissolves better in hard water and won't leave behind sticky calcium scum. Add a hair catcher to every shower and bathroom sink. These small strainers grab the strands before they can clump inside your pipes. For homes with hard water, a softener can reduce mineral scaling by up to 80%, keeping your pipes closer to their original flow for years. And consider a professional camera inspection once a year. The upfront cost is less than 2 plumber visits and pays for itself in under 2 years. Each step targets a root cause, not just the symptom. Right now, 85% of US homes face hard water, and FOG is the top clog culprit. A 1/4 inch per foot slope and mindful grease disposal beat endless plumber fees. Prevention starts with you.